What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be working on FRS. We're going to be painting the stock headlights. Basically we're going to be painting the chrome piece black. So the first thing to do, we're going to pop the hood, and there should be a couple of bolts and clips on the side and underneath it. So let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, we have a couple of, it looks like 10mm bolts, and then just a couple of clips. So let's get started with that, and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so basically you're gonna have 3 clips right here, and then once you pull this out, the side marker, there's gonna be a clip there. So we're gonna take it apart and then just do the couple of bottom clips, and the bumper should come off. Alright, so now that I got the bumper off, it looks like there's gonna be a bolt in here, bolt, it looks like a clip, another bolt, and 3 more bolts, and then the headlight will come off. So let me get this off. There we go. So I'm gonna do the other side, and then we're gonna bake them for 220 in the oven for about takes like 5-10 minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like all apart. And sorry about the noise, I got the space heater going. It's kind of cold in Chicago. And I also forgot to show that you gotta take out all the little grommets and every metal piece and all the screws, so when you put it in the oven, nothing happens to it. So now that that's all done, the whole front end is torn apart. Let's get to baking. Alright, so now that it came out of the oven, it's gonna be a little hot. There's little tabs. You just want to pull them back, then pry away. Alright, and there you have it. And then there's going to be 1, 2, 3 bolts, or 3 screws. We're going to pop the other headlight in, and then we're going to take this off and put the first coat on it. So be right back. Alright, so now that we got everything painted, everything's dried, looks pretty good. You just want to flip it over and put it back into the lens. Alright, now that's in there. There's 3 screws. Just want to put those in there, and then you want to put it back into the oven at 225 at 15 minutes. So after that's done, I'll show you the final product and it on the car. Alright guys, we're back. Headlights are on. The fitment OEM. I like how the yellow shines with the black now. I just gotta clean them. They're kind of dirty because I touched them with my fingers. But they're all done, honestly. Pretty good for just some paint. So I'm just gonna leave my bumper off because I got some other stuff coming that I need to take my bumper off. So I'm just gonna leave it off. Hope you guys liked the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.